To my... There we go, that looks more like how it is outside. And man, look at that. Let that rain pour up the side of that house. And hitting the side of that house. And zoom out. Whoa, what was that noise? Whew, lightning. Someone's got a loud vehicle. Sorry, you hear my door squeaking. So it's more lightning. Gonna zoom in on the road and focus. Focus, there we go, there's focus. Ooh, just saw some more lightning, vehicle driving fast. Excuse me, I burped. I mean, look at that water at the end of our driveway. Looks like it's calmed down, but you can see how fast the water's flowing down the road there. Okay. Looks like the rain slightly slowed down. I'm going to take a step outside. See if I can look around the sky. See if the sky doesn't really look too dark. It's kind of windy. Oh! Tornado whistle. Whoa, lightning right over there. I don't know, hopefully I captured that. Stopping video.